Hi there! In today's video, I'll show you how to make power button of your Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 6 more useful. Let's get started. So, by default, we have on the power button, press and hold is waking up the Bixby, and double click is launch camera. But not for all of the users of this phone, these functions are useful. So let's take a look what we can replace it with. So for that we will need to go to settings and then scroll down until we will see tab advanced features. Click on it and here choose side button. On the side button we can see two options, double press and press and hold. Not all of the users of this phone uses Bixby and many will prefer the power off menu, so why not to choose it? And on the double press we have quick launch camera. You can also switch it to open any application that you have on your phone. So let's test it now. If I will double click on the power button, camera will launch on my phone. And on the press and hold will appear the power off menu. And that's it. I hope this video was helpful for you and thank you so much for watching.